So situation is adverse, I agree, but in this situation also, if you are happy, you will invite happiness and whole existence will make you more happy every morning when you wake up. So first decide, no, that we have to be happy or unhappy. And my dear friends, morning is the best time for meditation. So get up little early because you have not to go to office, you are relaxed at your home, and do some good meditation. This also has designed 600 techniques. Any techniques which suits you, you can do. My dear friend, the present time, the most difficult time after Second World War. We don't know how it will end because it is not in human hand. Situation is serious and grave, but if we become serious, we will further complicate the situation. We have not to become serious. Our master has given many examples that even in adverse situation, we can remain calm, quiet, and do the best possible. We should follow all the precaution which WHO and different governments has proposed, but we should not be serious because seriousness is not going to help anyway. Seriousness will create more complication. I remember one story which Bhagwan has said many times in Pune 1. There was a locomotive driver, engine driver, and he was always affirmative and he was always happy. In every situation he was happy. So people in Malars, they are not happy and they cannot tolerate anybody who is all the time happy. It is their insult. So a lot of people were not happy with him because he was always time laughing and taking every incident as a positive. So one time there was a train accident and his one leg was cut because of the accident. So all his neighbors thought he must be serious at this moment and we should go and see how we take this situation. So they went to see him. They made a very sad and serious face and they said, we are very sorry that your one leg has been cut and you must be very sad. We want to share your grief. The locomotive driver said, no, I am not sad. The accident has happened, but government will give me compensation, pension. So now I will not have to work. I can stay at my home and I will get my food and my compensation, insurance. So this is a good time for me. I can enjoy my life. I can read and moreover, before I had to polish 2 shoes. Now I have to polish only 1 shoe. Half of my labor is shaved. No? So he was positive even in that adverse situation. We invite sadness and we can also invite happiness. But most of the people in this world has developed a habit to make life miserable. So Bhagwan was saying that nobody is happy in this world and we have developed our mental attitude that in every situation we find out some excuse to become unhappy. And one thing which we said, which is very important, that when you are sad or whatever your mood, if you are angry, there vibration of anger in the inverse. So all the vibration of anger will come towards you and it will increase your anger. If you are sad, all the vibration of sadness of the world, you will become receiver and more sadness will come towards you from the whole world and your sadness will increase. So we should also become happy, because we have leisure time. So situation is adverse, I agree, but in this situation also, you can see the plus side. You can read the book which you have wanted to read, but because of time, I go every part of the world and I say the same thing, that I want to do meditation but no time. Everybody complains that they have no time. At least this time you cannot complain that there is no time. You have more than enough time. You can learn meditation, you can develop some, if you love music, this is the best time, you can practice your music. So we can best utilize this time, it's in our hand, or we can become serious, it is also in our hand, and watch whole day on internet how many people dead in this country, how many people dead in this country. It is further complicate your life. So it's up to us to make us very serious and sad, or we can enjoy this leisure time. So keep yourself happy and help others also to become happy.